Happy Friday, boys and girls. Today we're going to continue talking about severe weather, and I'm going to read you a story called Storm Warning. First, I want you to look over at this blue box and repeat the vocabulary words after me. The first word is forecast. The second word, which is actually two words, is severe weather. Then hurricane. And if you go to the bottom row, you have blizzard, thunderstorm, and tornado. As I read the story, I want you to be listening for these words and circle them as you come across them. You only need to circle two, but if you want to go even further than that, you can circle as many as you'd like. After you're done, I want you to talk to somebody at home about severe weather, possibly even using one of these words in a sentence. "I can't wait for tomorrow," said Maisie. "Why?" asked her mom. "It's my pool party." "Mom, the weather is so hot. Everyone will want to swim in the pool. We'll have so much fun," said Maisie with excitement. "I'm going to look at the forecast for tomorrow," said Mom, and she turned on the television. Ask yourself, why do you think she's checking the forecast? "Uh-oh," said Mom. "What? What did the weather reporter predict?" asked Maisie nervously. And remember, predict is to think about what's going to happen in the future. "She predicted that there will be severe weather tomorrow," said Mom. "There's a storm warning." "No! What about my pool party?" "We'll still have your party, but we need to be inside the house," said Mom. "But the pool is outside." Maisie felt let down. "I know, but we will have more fun when we are safe and dry in the basement." I'd be pretty upset as well. The next morning, Maisie woke up early and ran to the window. The sun was shining. Oh, the weather forecast was wrong. The weather is great, and I'm so happy. Have you ever seen that before, where all of a sudden 1 second it's sunny and then a storm just comes out of nowhere and it's thundering and lightning and pouring rain when it was just sunny a couple minutes ago? At noon, Maisie's friends came over for the pool party. After a tasty lunch, it was time to get in the pool. And then all of a sudden, the wind became strong and the sky became dark. I wonder what happened. "Everyone come inside," said Mom. She was prepared to move the party indoors. Maisie and her friends ran into the house. "Let's all go downstairs quickly," said Mom. "What's happening?" Maisie asked. The storm already sounded scary. The forecast was right. There is severe rainstorm starting. The winds are unsafe outside, but we are safe down here away from the windows. "There's no reason to be scared," said Mom. "The basement is secure. It's still a party." Mom pointed to the beautiful cupcakes. "Wow," said everyone. "Here are some fun games." Maisie and her friends felt cozy and happy, and Maisie realized that Mom had set up the party for indoors early that morning when it was still sunny. And she was glad that Mom had listened to the weather forecast. Thank you for a great party, Mom. Now I want you to look down here at the discussion questions. What did the weather forecast predict on the day of Maisie's party? That's right. They predicted severe thunderstorms and rain, which made Maisie upset. Next question. Where did the girls go when it started to storm? That's right. They went inside down to the basement so that they could be safe and secure and protected from the storm. Last question. Has the weather ever changed your plans? Did you ever plan to go somewhere and it started raining so you couldn't go anymore? Or maybe it was too hot and you wanted to play outside but you had to play inside instead? That's happened to me a couple times. Great job today, guys. Thanks.